The king of tablets has officially taken back its crown, and this time it feels less like an upgrade and more like a bold statement aimed directly at laptops. If you thought the previous generation had already reached the peak of mobile engineering, what's coming next completely resets expectations. Behind closed doors, testing units are pushing limits, benchmarks are shattering records, and the device at the center of it all is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse. This isn't just another iteration. It's a complete rethinking of what a tablet can be in 2026, blending extreme performance with cutting-edge design in a way that demands attention. For years, the tablet market felt stagnant, with only incremental improvements and safe design choices. That changes now. This new Ultra model is rumored to be unbelievably thin, measuring around 5 yet it doesn't compromise durability thanks to a high-grade titanium build. The result is something that feels incredibly premium, almost like a piece of futuristic hardware you'd expect from aerospace engineering rather than consumer tech. It's light, solid, and refined in a way that instantly sets it apart from anything else in the category. The display is where things truly get exciting. A massive 14.6-inch panel with Tandem OLED technology delivers stunning brightness levels, reportedly reaching up to 3,000 nits. This means whether you're outdoors in harsh sunlight or working in a dim studio, visibility and color accuracy remain exceptional. The removal of any notch or cutout thanks to advanced under-display camera technology creates a seamless viewing experience, turning the screen into a pure, uninterrupted canvas. Combine that with a 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and everything from scrolling to drawing feels incredibly fluid and responsive. Speaking of drawing, the upgraded stylus introduces a whole new level of interaction. With built-in haptic feedback, it simulates real-world textures, making digital work feel more natural than ever before. Whether you're sketching, editing photos, or navigating tools, the tactile response adds a sense of realism that bridges the gap between physical and digital creation. Under the hood, this device steps firmly into laptop territory. Powered by a next-generation chipset optimized for performance and efficiency, paired with up to 24 GB of RAM, it's designed to handle demanding workloads effortlessly. Multitasking becomes seamless, allowing users to run heavy applications like video editing software or 3D modeling tools without slowdown. This is further enhanced by a revamped desktop-like environment powered by AI, which intelligently manages tasks, predicts usage patterns, and optimizes workflow in real time. Battery life, often a concern with high-performance devices, has been addressed with a large capacity cell and fast charging capabilities. Even with heavy usage, it's built to last through a full day, while rapid charging ensures minimal downtime. On the software side, the system adapts to user habits, automating daily routines, summarizing information, and even assisting with tasks like note-taking and study preparation through advanced AI features. Connectivity and security haven't been overlooked either. With support for the latest wireless standards and enhanced encryption, users can rely on both speed and privacy. While the expected price places it firmly in the premium category, the value becomes clearer when you consider it could replace multiple devices at once. More than just a tablet, this is a glimpse into a future where a single device can truly do it all.